జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. కిష్కింధాకాండ. You know what, Lakshmana? My Sugriva also is in so many troubles. He is in trouble with Vali. Vali sent out Sugriva out of the kingdom. Vali abducted Sugriva's wife. Now Sugriva is in the forest. So Lakshmana, we definitely will help both of you. Ho Rama, ho Lakshmana, Sobhigachema Sugrivam. Come on, now let three of us go to Sugriva. Like that, Hanuma is now getting ready to take Rama and Lakshmana to Sugriva. Hanuma saying that, ho Rama, Lakshmana, now let us all go to Sugriva. When Hanuma said like that, Lakshmana felt so happy and saying to Rama like this, oh Rama, Hanuma is very happy with both of us. That means Krutakrutyosi Raghava. We can consider that our work is done. Prasanna Mukhavarnascha. Because Hanuma is very happy with both of us, our work is done. Nan Rutam Vakshyate Viro. Hanuman Marutatmajaha. Hanuma, once he says any word, that is all. That will be done for sure. That is what Hanuma. Oh Rama, that is why Hanuma is very happy. Hanuma gave us word. So then our work is definitely done. Like that, Lakshmana saying to Rama. Then Hanuma, he left his sannyasi vesham bhikshurupam parityajya. He withdrew his sannyasi vesham and then he became his own original rupam, vanara rupam. Then prishtam aropya tau virau jagama kapikunjaraha. He took Rama and Lakshmana. He is now carrying Rama, Lakshmana on his back, and now he started to go to Rishyamukha mountain. Hanuma, the one who has boons from all the devatas. Hanuma, the one who is the son of Vayudeva. Hanuma, the one who even control Sugriva. Hanuma, the one who has unlimited strength and valor. Hanuma, the one who has very sharp mind. Such great Hanuma is now very happy with Rama and Lakshmana, happily carrying Rama, Lakshmana. Also Hanuma feeling happy about, because Sugriva's work also will be done with the help of Rama, Lakshmana. That is what Hanuma is thinking, and carrying Rama, Lakshmana very happily reached Rishyamukha Parvatam. From there, Gatvatu Malayam Giram. There is another small mountain which is known as Malayagiri. Hanuma has taken Rama Lakshmana to that Parvatam. There Sugriva is living. Then Hanuma went to Sugriva and saying that, oh Sugriva, oh Raja, Rama and Lakshmana came here to meet you. Oh Raja, I am Ramo Mahaprajnaha Drudha Vikramaha. I just wanted to tell you about Rama. Rama is such a great man. Rama has unlimited valor. Rama stands on his words and he always follows truth. He always speaks truth. Oh Raja, Sugriva, Ikshvakunam Kule Jato. Rama is born in Ikshvaku, the great dynasty, and the eldest son of Dasharatha Maharaju. He is following Dasharatha Maharaju's orders. He is following father's orders. O Raja Sugriva, that Rama, while he is living in forest, while he is doing Aranyavasam along with his wife, Ravana abducted Sita Devi, his wife. That is why such great Rama is now seeking help from you. O Sugriva, I also wanted to tell you more about Sri Ramachandra Swami. This Rama is the one who has done so many powerful yajnas. This Rama who has done so many charities. This Rama who used to give lakhs of cows to Brahmanas as dakshina in all of his yajnas. This Rama who has so much of sankalpa balam. This Rama who is just with his tapobalam and satyavakya paripalana diksha, he is able to rule the entire kingdom. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.